Hey guys, in next 2 minutes I am going to show you exactly how to archive reels and videos on Instagram. Instagram has recently updated their app. First of all, make sure you are using the updated version of Instagram. Okay, now let's open Instagram. When you open Instagram, you are first landed on your profile page. Just click the profile button, and this profile page shows you the reels posted by you. If you go to the reel sections and click your first reel and click on the right bottom, you can see three dots. If you click on that, you can see that there is no archive button here. However, if you go to the post section and click your video, and then you can see three dots at the top right. Just click that. Here you can see the option to archive. Now your video has been archived. Now to check the video in your archive section, just go to the top right three lines and click archive. You can see that your video is here. And if you want to post this video again on your profile, just click that video, and again on the top right you can see three dots. Just click three dots, click show on your profile, and now video has been restored and it is available on your profile. We will go to the profile page. We will refresh it. Now see the videos here, and your archive section is now empty. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to channel. See you guys in the next video.